proxy server acts as an intermediary between a user's computer and the internet. When a user requests information from a website, the request is sent to the proxy server first. The proxy then retrieves the requested information and sends it back to the user's computer. The primary use of a proxy server is to maintain security and privacy. It can hide a user's IP address, making their internet actions virtually untraceable. This helps in protecting personal information and maintaining anonymity online. Proxy servers can also be used to bypass internet restrictions or access geo-restricted content. For example, accessing a website or service not available in a user's region because the proxy can appear as coming from a different location. Furthermore, proxy servers can enhance network performance. By caching frequently accessed web pages, they can load data faster, reducing bandwidth usage and improving the browsing experience. In corporate settings, proxy servers provide control over employee internet usage. Administrators can block sites or monitor activities, ensuring that network resources are used appropriately. Educational institutions might employ proxy servers to restrict access to specific websites or to monitor student activities online for security purposes. Overall, proxy servers are versatile tools that play a crucial role in enhancing internet security, privacy, and performance, while also providing a means to manage and monitor internet use in various environments, from corporations to individual users.